Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss the differences between public bill and a private bill. Public bill is also known as government bill. Now let us see the differences. Public bill is introduced in the parliament by a minister, whereas private bill is introduced by any member of parliament other than a minister. Public bill reflects the policies of the government, that is, the ruling party. Private bill reflects the stand of opposition party on public matter. A public bill has greater chance to be approved by the parliament, whereas the private bill has lesser chance to be approved by the parliament. Public bill's rejection by the House amounts to expression of want of parliamentary confidence in the government. It may also lead to its resignation. Whereas private bill's rejection by the House has no implication on the parliamentary confidence in the government or its resignation. Public bill's introduction in the House requires 7 days notice, whereas private bill's introduction in the House requires 1 month's notice. A public bill is drafted by the concerned department in consultation with the law department. Private bills drafting is the responsibility of the member concerned. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. With reference to Parliament of India, consider the following statements. 1. A private member's bill is a bill presented by member of parliament who is not elected but only nominated by the President of India. This statement is false because private bill is introduced by any MP other than a minister. It does not depend on whether he is elected or nominated. So this is false. 2. Recently, a private member's bill has been passed in the Parliament of India for the first time in its history. This statement is also false. In 1952, a Muslim Waqf bill was introduced for better governance and administration of Waqfs by Syed Muhammad Ahmad in Lok Sabha. It was passed in 1954. So far, 14 private bills have become laws since 1952. So, this statement is also false. So, the answer is D, neither one nor two. Thank you.